Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
The amount
O Menteri Jongatanat Pulih Putih ke Sorkar Jala ubak lakamen rembui hagas ngi balang ka life way tarik unailar arajar arfuar ula pentip baka Sorkar India kala Pyllait Pisa hado arspa nyu fuar Klur tengka na kebentaban Siew ya ke Tulop badang sateng syaki Nonghikai School SSA hagane ke Jala Mekalaya. Hagajing ekran bat kilat patai kubor uba rembui ulaya tu bayagane ke Pisa ke Sorkar India kadang Pyllait shipos ngi menswa ya ke ba onsa Siew no syaki Nonghikai School SSA.
the government of India has sanctioned the amount of about 272 crore to the state government for the 10 days back. But I hope that the money, the fund will be transferred this week itself. Then only we will able to pay. Once we get that fund, we are comfortable to pay for not only 2 months, 3 months, 4 months or so, and we continue. Nowadays, we have not taken any decision on that, but the plan of government is there. But since this SSA is a central sponsor scheme, so we have to wait for the fund sanction from the central government. And for the last time which we paid also, we are very grateful to the finance department that they are giving us from the corpus fund, which we have to refund in due course. Because this decision of the cabinet they have taken sometime in 2020. So as of now, the decision of the government stands.